Today's tip is that look after yourself. Organizing is challenging. It can be challenging mentally, it can be challenging emotionally. And if you're doing an organizing project, or if you are trying to stay organized and struggling with it, one of the first things that you can do is really look after yourself. Self-care is incredibly important. If you have ever known someone who has successfully managed ADHD, for example, on into their senior years, then that is probably somebody who has paid a lot of attention to self-care. It is the number one thing to really help you use your frontal lobe, where the majority of the organizing cognitive skills occur, to help you sort, to help you think, to help you make decisions. All of those are very difficult if you are tired, if you are worn out, if you are highly stressed. And if you're highly stressed, the best way to look after that is to look after yourself. Try and get sleep, keep yourself hydrated, keep yourself nourished. If you, for example, are doing a big project like cleaning out the garage or cleaning out your office or downsizing, it's really, really, really important to make sure that you stay rested, stay hydrated, and really look after your food. And make sure that you're eating really good nutrition. When your body is in good shape, then it will be there physically to help you with the physical work of organizing a project. And if you're looking after it with rest and nutrition, then that frontal lobe, where those organizing skills take place, it'll be there for you to help you making decisions. I hope that's helpful, everybody. It's been great to be here. I hope the tips have been helpful for you. I would welcome your comments, your feedback. During the month of May, I'm going to be creating some videos and putting them up on the Caldwell Evolution YouTube channel. And during the month of June, I'm going to be doing another 30 tips in 30 days. Only in June, they will be productivity tips. So if you'd like some ideas about how you can be more productive, or if you struggle to get things done, personal or professional, we'll be talking about how you can, some tips to help you be a little bit more effective in getting things done. All right, it's been great, and I hope you've enjoyed it. I certainly have. I've learned lots along the way. I've had some fun with some lighting, backdrops, and so on and so forth, and I hope that that's worked for you as well. Stay well, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you soon.